to Vegan. Today we're going to continue with the breathing exercises, and I would love to take this moment to share with you one of my favorite breathing exercises. I call it heart breathing. So you can start off with a breath of fire or diaphragmatic breathing, or you can just start with heart breathing. So we're breathing in. What we're going to be doing is focusing our awareness on expanding our heart energy out. And so we take a nice deep breath in and expand out. We're sending the energy through the meridians, nerves, into both the palms of the hands. At the end, there's a little fajin type, sending that out all the way to the tips of the fingers. Now, you can also engage the heels and rock up on the balls of your feet as you expand out. And this expanding is not just in front of you. It's 360 degrees. You're also expanding out in all directions. You're expanding your heart's energy field into your hands and into your entire environment. This is very useful, this breathing technique, when you're dealing with working. It puts a good, positive heart energy into your work. It's also good when you need to influence the area that you're in. You want to bring more heart energy into your environment. This is a good way to do it. Just carry it with you. Breathe it out, expand it out, and carry that heart energy with you. You can visualize a nice emerald green, as that is the color of the heart chakra. See that green energy flowing out into both hands, flowing up into your throat, so that when you express yourself, you can be expressing yourself from your heart when you share. Give it a try. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in our next little adventure.